Hi, it's New Year's Eve and we're ready to start doing a little bit more work. Just going to put some fancy lights underneath the stairs. So just the new stairs we put in, we're going to put some blue lights on there. So just up on there, onto the backs, put some two lights on each of the three stair backs.
You're playing tag.
So, apart from cleaning up, that's the lights in place.
Okay.
The next bit is to do the wiring. And so, there's everything installed and we have light.
Yes, you're here, look. You're here.
Go on, Peps. Pepe.
Just walk up the top, then we can say
So it's the 1st of January 2019. Beautiful sunrise coming across the marina at York. A little bit of breeze blowing, but it looks like it's going to be a nice day.